Every year, the Ohio Department of Transportation spends up to $1.5 billion on road construction and between 15 to 20 million on asphalt-related maintenance. A professor from Ohio University thinks that his new invention could reduce the bumps and potholes that we must deal with every spring. Professor Sang-Soo Kim joins us now in our studio. Thank you for being here tonight.
Pleasure to be here.
All right, so let's talk about this new invention you have. It's called the Asphalt Binder Cracking Device, and you actually have it here with you.
Right.
So can you talk about it a little bit?
So in short, it's ABCD. I try to make something simple. The asphalt is one of the most challenging the materials to characterize because properties keep changing as you're changing temperature and also how fast you apply the load. So in the laboratories, I had to measure many different tests to just determine one, the properties of asphalt. So I like to make it simple and just create the field conditions in this small device. So this is a metal, and this is an ABCD device in the essence, and the other thing is some big, gigantic temperature chambers. Mm-hmm. So this ring doesn't shrink once the temperature drops. So we place the asphalt outside, something like this. So you just simply pour outside and put whole things into the chamber, and you just cool it down as the roadway is going through the cold winter night. So we measure inside as sensors, and it will detect when this asphalt is cracked, mm-hmm. and then we can just determine how good a asphalt is by looking at the one simple test.
Sounds pretty impressive and actually pretty easy to use. So what inspired you to come up with this invention?
I've been trying to make things simple, and another problem that we have currently, we don't have all the information that we need to determine the proper low temperature properties. And by simulating the field conditions, and we really don't need to worry about all those details. And I used to commute to Columbus because my wife and my children used to be in Columbus a long time ago. Mm-hmm. And over the weekend, and I've been driving, and then after listening to the radios and stuff like that, and I started thinking about my research. So you could do all those thinking and a lot of different possibilities. And then once I come to my office Monday morning, then I do all those calculations. Mm-hmm. So this is one of the thought that I had while I'm driving back and forth. And there's a couple more different inventions that I've been working on.
So just briefly, what is your end goal? What do you hope to accomplish with this invention?
The goal is this device can measure the properties more accurately, so engineers in the field can choose proper asphalt binders to making roadway to fit their climate. So that way we could minimize the failures that happens the nationwide, and we could save billions of dollars.
Well, Mr. Kim, thanks for joining us. I hope it works out. Thanks for being with us tonight.
Pleasure to be here.
Thank you.
Thanks.